What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, channel, whatever you want to call it. This is another part 2 to the CBR600RR build. Right now we're in the garage. She just came back from the shop. Come on, camera, focus on her. There we go, yeah. She just came back from the shop. I just basically wanted the guys at the shop, just to do a diagnostic. Whatever I couldn't see that needed to be wrong, I just wanted to see if they would figure it out, like what's wrong. In my opinion, I don't even think they looked at it, so I just went and picked it up. They were taking too long. But I got a couple parts coming in, so I got to get it right, get it ready for the parts. I got fairings, got some new forks coming in, and I got to get new tires on her. So tonight, Friday night, I'm not going out due to COVID-19. We're just going to be dismantling this entire bike, taking everything down. I've been trying to get some pit bull stands from like some person that's selling them off Facebook Marketplace. You know how it is, guys. Y'all know how it is. Y'all point it. Alright, yeah. Well, without further ado, we're just gonna get the cranking on this thing, man. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, guys, so I got that clutch, not the clutch, but the shifter screw in, and I tightened up that kickstand screw so that, yeah, there's that screw right there. Got that in, and then I tightened up the kickstand screw so that's not loose anymore. It is a leak somewhere that I cannot figure out. So I'm thinking it's just a stator. So eventually I'm gonna take that off as well. Now we're on to gas tank cover, removing fairings, and probably checking out some of these wires. guys, back. Got everything off, all the fairings off, gas tank covers off. I think the next step is I have to wait until I get a pit bull stand to crank the back of the bike up. And then I need to get like a jack or something, or some way to hoist the front of the bike up so I can get these forks off. Yeah, I think they're pretty screwed. Yeah. It's pretty screwed. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and change the whole front end. All of this stuff is coming off. Everything. Yeah, somebody, whoever had this bike just rigged everything up on this, and I'm not good with electrical stuff, so I'm just gonna leave that hanging there, which is probably not the best idea, but I don't want to have to undo everything. I'm gonna leave that there. Oh, come on, fan, stay up. We'll leave that there until my new fairings come in tomorrow, and then I guess in the meantime, I'm gonna work on finding a pit bull stand and a jack. I have to go get a jack to hoist this thing up. These forks are terrible, man. Look at all of this crap, dude. It's like leaking right now, as you can see. It's pretty bad. This tire is horrible too. I gotta clean all this up. I'll probably just spend the rest of the night just detailing, cleaning up little cracks of the engine and these fenders and stuff. Just get all that dirt out. I can clean all this stuff too. What's up, guys? Back again today. We're back in the garage. So I did order new forks. Nobody hit me back on Facebook Marketplace for like a bike lift to lift up the bike, or like the little rear stand for it. But I'm gonna go ahead anyway today and go ahead and loosen up all the bolts, take out the calipers off of the rotor, and just get everything loosened up and basically ready to slip off so I can get the new forks in when they come in. Sorry it's like a delay, but stay tuned. We're gonna get this thing right, man. Alright guys, so I got pretty much every bolt that is on the upper and triple tree. I got those loosened up. I'm waiting to unloosen this bolt up because that's my the last bolt other than the brake calipers. But this is the last thing I have to loosen up and taken off. once the forks get in here, but I don't want the front end of the bike just to fall. So I'm loosening this one. So I'm gonna hold off on this one and the brake calipers on each side. But other than that, everything's loosened up. And just gotta wait for parts now. Once parts get in here, everything should be smooth, but you always run into something. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I was bored. That's the only reason I came here and basically prepped the bike. But stay tuned, guys, and I'll be back with you as soon as the parts come in. All right, guys, this is what I'm gonna use. This is my canvas right here to paint all my fairings. I know a lot of people be cleaning their fairings and stuff with alcohol before you paint them. I don't even care that much, bro. I'm just trying to paint them black and put them on the bike. That's it. I'm gonna use this plastic that came with it so I don't mess up the bottom of my garage floor, and this cardboard that the fairings came in. So I'm gonna get that together and then we'll just start painting these things, man. Guys, so I've put a couple of coats on these things. They're already pretty shiny. I took them out in the sun and took a look at them. They're crazy shiny already. Debating if I want to go with this extra gloss. I don't know yet. I don't know, this thing's pretty glossy already, but I might put like a light coat of this up there and then probably get them on the bike, even though I have to take them right back off because I have to change the forks tomorrow. But I don't know, we'll see. Stay tuned, guys, and check out this. Guys, I'm tired. It's the only way to set this out. There's all the old parts, some of the old paint paper. This is what we have. I forgot to time lapse it. This is just paint. No clear coat on it. Nothing. I just painted it like 2 coats of black paint. It's got a nice gloss to it. I like it. It's kind of like, it looks flat black, but it kind of has like a shine to it. I gave up. I got to put my intakes back on, and it's like another piece of those pieces over there that go right here. But yeah, I'm tired for the night. I'm about to roll this thing back so I can get my car in here. But yeah, this is it. I got like 1,000,000 screws left because some of the brackets and stuff were remaining. I'm probably should not have that many screws left, but I don't care. I mean, fuck it. It's not anything. I can ride the bike without the fairings, so I'm not gonna fall or anything. I had a difficult time with this crap, but other than that, we should be good actually. What's up, guys? It's a good day today. We got forks. Okay, so this morning before I clocked into work, I took out the intake duct or whatever you want to call it for the old fairings, for the new fairings, and I went downstairs and I had my new forks in. Where they're used, but they're new for the bike. It's a little test. They work and they don't have leaks. Let's go. We're good to go. Putting them on today. What's up, guys? Just another update on the bike. So I wanted to put my forks on today, but the person who was supposed to send my pit bull stand that I got off eBay, he has not shipped it yet. I ordered it like Sunday. Today is Thursday. He hadn't even shipped it yet. I paid as soon as I won the bid or whatever, or purchased it. I paid immediately. I messaged them twice. They said it should be on the way, but I won't be able to put these nice forks on until I get a pit bull stand or find another alternative to jack the front of my bike up without it swinging left or right. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'll do like a test ride or something of it today with everything that I have on it. But other than that, forks is left, and then we're just gonna do simple stuff like make it look cooler. Stay tuned.